What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to the Tiggling videos. My name is really Tiggling, so yeah, nice to meet you if you haven't even watched my first 3 videos. Yesterday I posted a video about a metal fidget spinner that cost $10. I call it the Star Spinner. But today I'm be teaching you how to balance a fidget spinner on your pencil. So let's just do this shit right now. You need a pencil, you need a fidget spinner. Whoa, there you go. You need a fidget spinner. There you go. And a normal pencil. See, this is my school pencil that my mom bought. Shout out to my mom. Nice. It's Chinese. Yeah. Focus it so Chinese people can read it. Don't know money. I can't focus it on my friggin' camera. On my Canon camera. I just can't focus. Stupid camera. It's okay, guys. So I'm teaching, but I can't really seem to get the straps out, so I'm gonna use some magic. It's like rusty on the bearings, like whatever. Then I'm gonna use some magic. In 3, hold on. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it worked. But only one came out. Let's try with this sword. See this, like, beautiful sword. This. What? So let's just try plucking it out. Hold on, see. I need that. And got it. Much better. I can't spin it. For some reason I can't spin it. Okay. But you just like stuff it into your pants. Oh. Damn, let's say. Much better. Then I flip this hoop over. Whoa, why am I filming that? And just like, hold on a second, spinning it. Spin it. Then like you have one cap, and just fidget spin around the pencil, spinning. See it? See the spinner? It's a cap. Stop. Or if you want, you don't need it. Leave it spinning. And just place it on top. Voila! I can't even shake it in one drop. You can like get this as your present to your mama, cause it looks like a flower on a pencil. It might not drop. Oh yeah, it dropped. Okay, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Peace out.